where we pull up. Please be back on the coach, ready to go, the latest at 9:25. 9:25.
Move around for the video. Yes, you can wave to the camera. Yes.
And raining too. Yung kusina nila. Yung CR. Ay, magano ba doon? Baka may tour. Okay, coming.
Trading, it's really the idea of seafaring, leaving your homeland to go on adventure. So not all Scandinavians were Vikings. To be a Viking, you have to go Viking. Also, what defines a Viking is where you come from. And Vikings, they came from Norway, but also from Sweden and Denmark. And another criteria to be a Viking, you have to be born between 750 and 1100. That is the Viking. Yes. The Viking age starts with a precise date. The 8th of June, 790. This date is the attack of the monastery of Lindisfarne, England. And that is the first basically surf on the water. So one big advantage, they are fast. Also, with that shape, you can sail deep sea and also shallow rivers. You can really reach inland and you can reach most places. They're also easy to maneuver and they don't need a harbor to land. They can land anywhere. Use that word to talk about a tribe, an ethnicity. But Viking is not something that you are. It's something that you do. It's an activity, a profession. You go Viking. Here you are inside this house. You are very welcome here. Hospitality is one of the main duties of the chief. You want to come back here after the tour? You have a chat with the chief and explore his house. You are very welcome to come back here. Under the chieftain, you have the one we call the Carl. And the Carl were free men. They could be farmers, traders, and so on. And then at the bottom, with weapons inside. He just assumed that a man is very real. But now that technology and mentality have evolved, we can find that more. And there is a grave in particular in Sweden, in Vilka. There they discovered a grave of a Viking. Think about the grave of a typical warrior. 2 horses as well, and in the grave and game pieces of a game called Nefetafet, which is a strategic game of the time. So all the elements there did show that an army leader was buried there. A few years ago, archaeologists wanted to find out more about this army leader. They did DNA test, and there they found out that it was a woman. And that changed everything. Because we know about women warriors in sagas and mythology, but there we have an archaeologist.
Have you watched that? In Netflix, there is a Viking movie. It's a series, 30 movies.
Such as Richard Wagner, Tim and others. That's how they represent the Vikings in art, with horns on their head. To make them look scary, evil, and kind of cool too. That is basically where we have it from today. We can blame Victorians and Romantics for spreading that cliche. But for their defense, you know that horn helmets do exist. We find some in Denmark, England, France. They have a shield. In front of you, someone hold the shield. You can touch on the side. You have no feeling, and then you can come in with your sword. So here you need both hands to hold it. You cannot hold the shield. So it's still practical. Someone attacks me, but they're riding a horse. You can reach them up there. You can hook them and take them down from their horses. And the horse's legs, people's legs, people's head. But it's okay. You see, you take it behind there, you drop it, and in one hit, it's done. Yes? Maybe you can hold this shield for me then. I'm not allowed to hurt people since last time. So here, on your hand. So you see, I don't have to get too close, but you can hook, you open, and then you hit with the axe.
Oh, it's like a hook.
Now, you second hook there behind the neck. Yes? Behind the shoulder there as well. Just nice. Behind the leg. And if I'm in a bad position.
Sige, diyan ka. Maybe where they can sleep. And there's on the side. Oh, for animals maybe. Yeah. Smart design. Wala lang makita rito eh. Fasad lang siya. Fasad lang. Wala ka lang. Ayan. Ah, naka-live ka na eh. Wala magagawa, muulan eh. Grass is growing here, so the roof will insulate, the grass will insulate the house. Wow. Hindi, sa pagka-inedit ko na para pare-parehas yung sound niya. I don't know whether to stand here, but this is a tent. Put a bed on it. How can they endure winter with that? balikan daw namin. Daw. That's the roof is made of grass. Yeah, they grow grass on the roof. There's another one. Grass on the roof. Yeah. And there is Annie. Sige lang, lakad lang.
Do you guys mind standing like next to?
¿Verdad por qué? Porque no ha llovido, que aún no lo digo, y no habrán llevado mucho. Parece que este año se lo decía para mira, mira. Esto no es normal, esto es que lleva eso. Los chavales con allá.
Huh? It's a nice view here. It's just beautiful. waterfall.
Kilometers. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Entering a tunnel 3.1 kilometers.
It is that every 5 kilometers you have a sort of opening, a hole in the tunnel, and they project blue and yellow lights on it. And the reason for this is to break the monotony of the 20 minutes of driving straight right now. And they even hold weddings here, by the way. So you can get